Bonjour, bienvenue à tous. In my previous video, we explored French greetings, and now we shall look at to the other side of conversation, namely partings, or put simply, how to say goodbye in French. Just like greetings, French partings can be either formal or casual, depending on who you are speaking to. And now let's start with the formal expressions. The most common one is au revoir, au revoir, which means goodbye. You can use it in almost every situation, whether you are speaking to your teacher or someone you do not know very well. And next we have à bientôt, which means see you soon. It's polite but also a little warm. And then there is à tout à l'heure, which means see you later, usually used when you will meet the person again later the same day. And then we also have à demain, which means see you tomorrow. And then finally, there are expressions such as bonne journée, which means have a good day, and bonne soirée, which means have a good evening, and bonne nuit, which means good night. These are lovely ways to part politely while wishing someone well. And then let's move on to the casual side. These are the ones you will hear among friends, family, and maybe younger people. Number one is salut. Salut. This one the easiest. It means hi and bye. Hi and bye. As it also used when you're greeting someone. And then the second is à plus tard. À plus tard. Or simply à plus. À plus. It means see you later. Very relaxed and common. And then another fun one is ciao. Ciao. Borrowed from Italian, it just means bye in a light and friendly way. Then you also can say à la prochaine, which means until next time or see you next time. And among close friends or in text messages, you might even see bisous, which literally means kisses. Very affectionate, but definitely not for formal situation. And so that's it for today's part of my learning journey on French partings. I hope this gives you a clear idea to end conversation naturally in French. Merci beaucoup for watching, and as always, au revoir, à bientôt.